Hello, I warmly welcome you to Global Skills Prime video. This is Steve, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an account on Global Skills Prime and also join the affiliate program and start learning with your friends. So without wasting much time, let's jump straight onto the video. If you look at the website, this is very intuitive and responsive website and very professional. To enroll or to join the community, it's very easy. You can just click on the join community here, or you can go to community login and then you can join the community. So let's click on join community. Now you've been asked to either sign up or log into your account. Because you don't have an account on Global Skills Prime, we just need to create an account. So just click on sign up, or this is your full name, John Doe. That's my full name, so I just enter my full name to be John Doe and my email address. After your email address, then you enter your username, JDoe. Your account password, make sure you use a strong password. You have to retype your password and then click on I agree to the terms and conditions. Then you click on sign up. So automatically this is going to sign you up onto our website. So always remember, because of security reasons, you have to enter your two-factor authentication. So you see, if you check your email, you see that your registration verification code for Global Skills Prime. Just click on it and then you either look at the verification code or you can copy it and then you just paste it in. Let me paste it here, complete sign up. So after completing the sign up, it's going to automatically log you in to the membership area. So as you can see, I wouldn't save my password. This is the community area. As you can see, very professional and very intuitive. One beautiful thing about this community is that if you don't want the light mode, you can always change to dark mode. So however you want it, you can easily switch. So this is the search area, this is the notification area, and this is also the message area, and this is your profile. So the first thing that you need to do is to complete your profile, because we are 40% through. So now everything is logged here. If you click on the free membership, you will see that you will need to join. And if you click on the free courses, this is a private course, so you also need to join. And this is the premium, same with the premium, and then same with the VIP. So without wasting time, let's first go to the feed and then complete our profile. So make sure you add your profile picture. It should be your own profile picture. To upload a profile picture, just click on this cloud icon. Just click on it. It takes you to your phone gallery or your computer gallery. So let's say this is my profile picture. I'll just pick it and then I insert it here. So this is my profile picture. As for the cover, you can choose any cover. So let's say you can use Canva to design a very beautiful. Let me choose this one. So one thing that you can take note is that with these designs, you can use Canva so that you can get some beautiful background and also profile picture onto your profile. So that is it. I've chosen the Global Skills Prime image as my cover image. Okay, so if you have a personal website, you can add a website here. Let's say my website is https://stevetoti.com, and you have to add your bio here. This is John. I am a graphic designer and also a website. So you can write something about yourself, and then after that you can also add your social links. So your Instagram username, my Instagram username is Steve Toti. Let's say your Facebook, Steve Toti 1. Your LinkedIn is also, yeah. So after you are done, just click on Save Changes. You can also click on Notification Settings so that you can take all of these. So automatically, you are going to receive email when someone comments on your post, when someone replies to your post, when someone mentions you in a post. By the end of the week, everything that has taken place in the community will be sent to you through your email. So that is there. So you have to leave these things on. And then the space notification too. So now we are good to go. Let's click on feed once again. So this is the spaces. If you want to join, you can join any of these. And then this is the courses. And we have the members here. So if you click on the members, you are going to see all the members on the platform. And this is the leaderboard. And then if you click on the home page, it is going to take you to the home page of the website. So when you are on the home page, you can click on Join Community, or you can go to Community Login. Any of these two is going to take you to the same place, back to your community. So now that we are done with the profile update and everything, the most important thing is to join the community. So how do we join the community? Just click on the free membership and then click on Join for free. So this is automatically going to take you to the free membership area so that you can easily enroll in the free membership. You can also click on membership plans. It's going to take you to the same place. So if you click on membership plans, you can see the free membership, the premium membership, and then the VIP membership. So you can click on, you can just start with the free membership and then you click on buy membership. Because it is free, you're not going to pay any money. So it takes you to the checkout page and then you enter your details. So let's say my details, my name is John Doe. Currently in Indonesia, my town is Kuta. And then my WhatsApp number. So you can add your WhatsApp number, but let me enter a default number here. Okay, so that is it. After entering these details, just click on place order. Just click on place order. So automatically, the order is going to be placed for you to join the full free membership community. So as you can see, John Doe, you made it to the club. Welcome home. So this is the order that I placed. I didn't pay any money for this. So from here, you can go to your portal or you can go to your account. So first of all, let's go to our portal. Now when you come to the portal, you see automatically you are being logged into the community. Now you can see the information in the community. You see now your profile picture is here. You can click on your profile again and then you can see all the things that we added to our profile. So this is our social media links, our websites and everything. So this is very, very professional. So now that you've joined the community, you can start interacting. You can just type, hey guy. You can just write anything. I am happy to join the community. And then you can add images, you can add videos, you can add statistics, you can add even GIF. So let me click on the GIF. Let's search for happy. Okay, so let me take this one. And then you click on post. So immediately you click on post, it's automatically going to be posted. So anyone who is in the community is going to see this particular post as well. You can copy this link, send it to your friends for them to also join. So now when you click on free courses, you should be able to see the courses that has been uploaded on the community. So continue course, you can just click on this one. This is a video course, so you can click on it and then you start watching the video. Hello, this is Steve. So this is about how to create a website. When you click to the next, you can see different videos as well. You can comment on any video. If you are done with this and you want to go to the next video, just click on the next video. This is how to create advertising video. Everything is for free. And how to create a news website like BBC, CNN, and then start making money from the monetization aspect. So this is all good. Now you've joined the community. If you want to join the premium community where we have live sessions, one-on-one, and other stuff, then you need to click on the premium. You need to click on the premium questions and answers. Then you can join the premium members. It brings you here, and then you click on buy membership, and then it takes you through the checkout page. Your details have been filled, and then you just need to pay this amount of money. You can use a credit card, or you can use mobile money. Any of them is fine. Then you just click on place order. This is going to take you to the payment gateway for you to add your payment details. So as you can see, you can use mobile money for those in Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, and other African countries. You can use the mobile money, or you can use the credit card. So wherever you are, you can use your credit card, and then you just pay the needed amount. So that is it for how to join the premium or the VIP community. So let me go back home. Let me check the email. So these are the various email accounts. So automatically, you are going to receive samples of emails, and then you can just click on it. So when you check the email, you can also click start learning here, and then you join the community. So as you can see from here, this is the last email after your order was completed. This is the last email you're going to receive. Hi John Doe, your subscription has been successful. Kindly check it below. So you can also, after you open your email, you can also click on go to your dashboard, and it takes you to the community area, just like that. Then you can just start learning. So you see, this is the message we sent in the community. If you want the light mode, you can just click on the light mode, and then you get everything just like that. You can always put something in the community, especially things pertaining to how to start a business, how to grow your business, how to create a website, graphic design, video editing, and all those digital stuff. So you can write everything in the group as well. Now the last thing that I want to talk about is the affiliate program. Now that you've joined the community, you have to also introduce it to other people. And the best part is that if you click on the affiliate area, whilst you are communicating this opportunity to your friends and family, you can also make money here. So welcome to our affiliate program. Get 20% for every new referral. So anyone that you refer to join this community, all you need to do is to create your affiliate account, get your affiliate link, and just send it to your friends. Immediately they register and enroll in the premium or the VIP community, then you are also going to get 20% of every amount they are going to pay. That is incredible. So how do you sign up as an affiliate? Because I have already created my account on the website, automatically it has enrolled me as an affiliate. So you already registered. View your account here. So I can just click here, and then it takes me to my affiliate dashboard. So let's see what I find here. So this is my affiliate dashboard. If I want my affiliate link, I just need to click on affiliate links. Click on the copy, and then I will just open a new page, paste my affiliate link here, and then I enter. So let's see what happens. So this takes me to the Global Skills Prime website. So if you send this one through WhatsApp, through your social media platforms, anyone who clicks on it is going to be recorded on your account. So now let me refresh my affiliate dashboard. You will see that the visits will be 1 because one person has clicked on my link. So you see 1 result. So January 3rd, 2025. This is the landing URL. So whoever clicks on your link, you're going to find it. Immediately the person make a purchase, automatically you are going to find your commission under the commissions area. And you can always request for your commission whenever you need. you can go to the settings and then you enter your website and also your payment email. So if your payment email is not your normal email account, you can use it. You can receive your money through PayPal, you can receive it through your bank, or you can also receive it through mobile money. So any payment option that you want, you can just let us know so that we can also pay your commissions through that payment options. If you want to generate your own affiliate link, you can, let's say you just want to send a premium membership to one of your friends. So you just go to the website, go to the membership plans, search for the premium membership, click on buy membership, and then this is the premium membership. Just copy the link. I'll copy the link, go to my affiliate dashboard, paste the link here, and then click on generate. So now I have generated this link with my affiliate link. So if I click on copy and then I paste it here, let me open a new incognito window and paste my affiliate link here. So immediately the person click on this link, takes him to the premium membership plan so that the person can easily make a purchase. So just click on buy membership and then it takes the person through the checkout page. The person will enter his details here and then make a purchase. Immediately the person makes a purchase, it's going to be accountable to your account. So let me close this, get back to the affiliate dashboard. Let's check. So you see this, the visit is 1. Let me refresh the page. It's supposed to be 2 because 2 people have clicked on the link. So everything that, or anyone who clicks on your link is going to be credited to you. That is the reason why we teach affiliate marketing as part of the courses that we are teaching on the website. So that is it for this particular video. We've walked you through how to create an account on the Global Skills Prime website, how to join the affiliate program, how to generate the affiliate link and send to your friends and family so that they can also join this growing community. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye. This is Steve once again.